All right, picture this. You walk into a high-tech lab, and instead of scientists in lab coats, you find rows of fresh green lettuce growing without a speck of soil. Sounds wild, right? Welcome to Japan, where urban farming is not just a concept, but a reality. Here, old semiconductor factories are getting a fresh lease on life as indoor farms, and startups are making sure your veggies are cleaner and greener than ever. Get ready to see how these innovations are not only feeding cities, but also redefining what farming can be in the 21st century. I'm Rafi, and this is the AI Lib. As urban populations swell, the pressure on food production intensifies. By 2050, we'll need to feed an additional 2 to 5 million, mostly city dwellers. Yet paradoxically, the space available for traditional agriculture is shrinking, particularly in developed countries. This dilemma demands a radical rethink of how and where we live. Urban farming, which brings agriculture into the city, offers a promising solution. It reduces transportation costs, minimizes waste, and ensures fresh produce is always within reach. But how exactly does this work in practice? Let's explore Japan's innovative approach to this global challenge. Fukushima Prefecture, an unexpected player has entered the agriculture scene. Fujitsu, a company better known for its electronics. At their plant in Wakamatsu, Fujitsu has transformed an underused semiconductor factory to a pristine environment for growing vegetables. This Curate project, meaning clean, leverages the sterile conditions designed for chip production. Here, vegetables are grown in a soil-free setup using nutrient solutions, ensuring contamination and optimal growth conditions. This method not only produces clean, healthy vegetables, but also showcases the potential of rural industrial spaces for food production. One standout of Fujitsu's agricultural venture is their low-potassium lettuce, designed for individuals with kidney problems who need to limit their potassium intake. By focusing on a specific health need, Fujitsu adds significant value to their produce. This lettuce is sold to nursing homes, hospitals, and even directly to consumers online. A controlled environment allows for consistent quality and year-round production, providing a reliable supply of specialty ingredients. This approach exemplifies how urban farming can meet specific dietary needs while maintaining high standards of safety and hygiene. Given the proximity to the ocean and power lines, safety concerns are paramount. Fujitsu's farming operation addresses these worries head-on. Vegetables are grown and controlled in environments that are regularly tested for radiation. This rigorous testing, twice a year, ensures that the produce is safe for consumption. By maintaining strict safety protocols, Fujitsu reassures consumers and sets a high standard for urban farming practices, proving that high-tech agriculture can thrive even in challenging locations. Travel to Kashiwa in Tokyo, you find another pioneer in rural farming, Mirai. The company's name translates to future, aptly reflecting their forward-thinking. Mirai isn't just about growing lettuce, they're also in the business of selling the systems that enable factory farming. Their technology has found clients crops in stacked layers, significantly increasing production per square meter compared to traditional farms. This method doesn't rely on perfect soil or weather conditions and can overcome challenges posed by climate change and land availability. Vertical farming ensures consistent production year-round, unaffected by external weather patterns or seasonal changes. Additionally, Mirai's vertical farms operate with advanced LED lighting systems that mimic the optimal lighting of sunlight, ensuring plants receive the precise light spectrum for photosynthesis. This controlled lighting, combined with hydroponic systems that deliver creates an ideal environment for rapid high yields, reducing water usage by up to 90% compared to traditional farming. Despite the promise, urban farming faces significant challenges, particularly in terms of costs. Setting up and maintaining a high-tech indoor farm requires substantial investment in equipment and energy. Labor costs are also high, though they can be offset by increased productivity and year-round operation. However, as technology advances and scales, these costs are expected to decrease. The key to economic viability lies in balancing the initial investment with the long-term benefits of consistent, high-quality produce. Companies like Mirai are leading the way in making this balance achievable. In a glimpse of the culinary future, Mirai has partnered with local restaurants to supply ultra-fresh produce. Imagine dining at a restaurant where the lettuce on your plate was harvested just hours before, right next door. This hyper-local approach not only enhances the dining experience, but also reduces food miles, contributing to a more sustainable food system. It's a win-win for both consumers and restaurateurs, showcasing the potential of urban farming to transform our food supply chain. Japan's advancements in urban farming have global implications, as other countries face similar challenges of urbanization and food security. Models developed by Fujitsu and Mirai offer valuable lessons. These innovations can be adapted and implemented worldwide, helping to ensure a steady food supply in diverse environments. From arid regions to bustling metropolises, principles of high-tech indoor farming can provide a blueprint for sustainable agriculture in the 21st century. The journey of urban farming in Japan is just beginning. As technology evolves and more companies enter the field, we can expect to see even greater advancements. The integration of AI and robotics will further enhance efficiency and reduce costs. Public and private partnerships will be crucial in scaling these solutions. By embracing these innovations, we can create a more resilient and sustainable food system capable of feeding the growing global population. The future of farming is bright, and it's happening now in most unexpected places. So what do you think? Urban farming will be the key to solving our future food crisis. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Check out the videos on your screen.